Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to update your Axis Bank address online in 2025. If you've recently moved or just need to correct your details, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and stress-free. Let's get started. First off, before you begin, ensure you have your Axis Bank account credentials ready. You'll need your registered mobile number for verification, and it's a good idea to have any supporting documents like a new proof of address on hand, just in case. Step 1. Open the Axis Bank mobile app on your smartphone or visit the official Axis Bank website on your computer. Make sure you're logged in securely. Use a strong password and a reliable internet connection. Step 2. Once you're in, head over to the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Look for options like Personal Details or Update KYC to proceed. Step 3. In the Settings area, find the specific option for updating your address. It might be labeled as Contact Information or Address Change. Click on it to open the form. Step 4. Carefully enter your new address details. Double-check everything for accuracy. Typos can cause delays. If required, upload any necessary documents as per the prompts. Step 5. Verify your identity. Axis Bank will likely send an OTP to your registered mobile number or email. Enter it promptly to confirm the changes. Step 6. Hit Submit and wait for a confirmation message. Once approved, you'll get a notification via email or in the app. And just like that, you're done. A quick tip: always keep your bank details updated to avoid any issues with transactions or services. If you run into any problems, reach out to Axis Bank's customer support. They're there to help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. See you in the next one.